Welcome to the Best Places Quality of Life tutorial, a comprehensive guide to understanding and utilizing the Best Places website to find the best places to live in the United States. To get started, navigate to the Best Places website and click on the Find Your Best Place tab. Here you can enter your preferences for climate, population size, and other factors to find cities that match your criteria. The website provides a vast amount of information on over 1,000 cities, including cost of living, education, and healthcare. You can also compare cities side by side to see which one is the best fit for you. One of the key features of the website is the cost of living calculator, which allows you to compare the cost of living in different cities. Simply enter your income and expenses, and the calculator will show you how far your money will go in each city. Another useful tool is the Compare Cities feature, which allows you to compare up to 4 cities at a time. You can compare factors such as housing costs, commute time, and air quality to get a comprehensive view of each city. Best Places also provides information on the best cities for specific lifestyles, such as the best cities for retirees or the best cities for families. You can browse these lists to find cities that match your lifestyle and preferences. To get the most out of the Best Places website, it is recommended that you create an account, which allows you to save your favorite cities and compare them later. You can also set up email alerts to notify you when new information is available on the cities you are interested in. In conclusion, the Best Places website is a valuable resource for anyone looking to find the best place to live in the United States. By following these steps and utilizing the website's many features, you can find the city that best fits your needs and preferences.